Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to our Entrepreneurship Lecture Series. Today, we will discuss inflation and how it impacts small businesses in Pakistan. First, what is inflation? Inflation is when prices of goods and services increase over time. For example, a loaf of bread that costs 100 Pakistani rupees today might cost 110 Pakistani rupees next month. Small businesses are affected the most because raw materials become more expensive. Employee salaries may rise, operational costs increase. Example, suppose you run a small bakery. Flour and sugar prices go up by 10%. If you keep selling at the old price, your profit reduces. Even if sales remain the same, cash flow problems can arise. From a finance perspective, cash flow is more important than profit on paper. Profit alone cannot sustain a business. Entrepreneurs must track revenues, expenses, cash in hand. Practical tips for entrepreneurs. Manage inventory carefully. Buy only what you need to avoid cash being locked in stock. Negotiate with suppliers. Ask for flexible payment or bulk discounts. Adjust prices gradually. Small increases are easier for customers to accept than sudden hikes. Extended example. A small online clothing store faces rising fabric costs due to inflation. If the owner ignores the change, cash is blocked in stock and salaries cannot be paid. But by carefully managing inventory and adjusting prices step by step, the store continues running smoothly. Remember, small changes in cost management and careful monitoring of cash flow can save a business from losses during inflation. Finance insight. As MS Finance students, you know early action improves liquidity, reduces risk, and ensures the business remains profitable. Always forecast cash needs before making large purchases. Summary. Inflation increases costs for small businesses. Cash flow management is key. Gradual pricing adjustments and supplier negotiations help. Inventory control reduces financial risks. Thank you for watching today's lecture. If you found this useful, please subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon to get all our entrepreneurship lectures. See you in the next class.